Welcome everyone, this is Insights Current Affairs quiz of 13th September 2022. So why exactly this video is made? What is the aim of making an analysis of current affairs quiz? So the main reason is because you see a question, there are like 4 options given. Then why exactly one option is correct and the second option is not relevant to the question, or you say the second option is not correct? Why exactly do you have to choose that option and not choose the other option? So this I will explain in this quiz. So let's begin the quiz. So comes the first question. So there are 3 options given and you have to tell whether which of the options are correct. So first is, cetaceans are a group of marine animals that includes dolphin, porpoises and whales. So this option is correct. And why exactly is correct? Because this is the basic definition of cetaceans. Because cetaceans are a group of marine animals. So if there was written something other than marine animals, then it would be incorrect. But this is the definition of cetaceans, and if you don't know, then remember it. 3 groups are there: dolphin, porpoises and whales. So this option is correct. Now coming to second option, bottlenose dolphin inhabits warm and temperate seas worldwide, and these are found everywhere except for the Arctic and Antarctic region. So this option is also correct. And why? Because you should know that bottlenose dolphins, these are the dolphins that love to live in warm temperatures, and Arctic and Antarctic circle regions, these are polar regions, these are very cold. So these regions become inhabitable for dolphins, and especially bottlenose dolphins. Now coming to third option, bottlenose dolphins have very high immunity levels and there are no cases of viral infection reported in them. So we have seen in the news in Florida that some bottleneck dolphins have died because of infection, and it was bird flu. We have seen this in news. So that is why this option is not correct. They are not immune to viral infections. So we see which of the following options are correct, first and second. So we will choose option number B. Now comes the second question. Consider the following statement regarding places of worships, Special Provisions Act 1991. So this is in the quiz because you know Gyanvapi mosque case is going on. So we see the first question. There we have to tell which of the following statements are incorrect. So you have to see questions very carefully. There you do not have to tell what is correct, but rather what is incorrect. So first is, the act declares that the religious character of a place of worship shall continue to be the same as it existed on January 26, 1950. Here comes the error in the question. It is not January 26, 1950. Not the day, Republic Day. It is 15th August 1947. So clearly the act has written date of 15th day of August 1947. So this option is incorrect. Now second is, the act bars the conversion of a place of worship of one religious denomination into a place of worship of different religious denomination. What does exactly mean? It means that you cannot convert a temple into a mosque or a gurudwara into a mosque after 1947 15th August. In fact, you cannot convert different segments within a same religious denomination. You cannot convert that. So we see second statement is correct, but first is incorrect. So you have to choose incorrect. We will choose first only. Now coming to third question. Gyanvapi mosque was built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. This is true, and it is claimed that Aurangzeb has given waqf for the construction. What exactly is waqf? Waqf, you can call it's a donation that is given in Islamic law, and this is a donation in the form of assets, for example land, a plot. So, and it cannot be claimed back, and it is you can say it is a fact that Aurangzeb has given waqf for making this mosque. Second is it is located in Banaras, Uttar Pradesh. So a lot of time we have seen this mosque, and there clearly the place is written in the newspaper. It is Banaras, and Banaras is located in Uttar Pradesh. So both of these are correct. Now third is it is an archaeological survey of India protected site. This is incorrect. Gyan Vapi Mosque is not an archaeological survey of India protected site. So it is not a site, and thus it is not maintained by ASI. So we see question is asked which of the following statements are correct. So question number first, so option number first and second are correct. Now comes the fourth question. Taragiri, Nilgiri and Udaygiri. These are the names associated with. So just assume, for example, you do not know that you do not know anything about this question, for example. Just I have assumed. So you have to see the options. Aircraft carriers built in India. You may have seen in the news that there is aircraft carrier that is built in India, and its name is INS Vikrant. Not Taragiri, Nilgiri and Udaygiri. If there are some aircraft, it is named as INS, and then after that there is a name. So this option is not correct. Coming to second option, scramjet engines. What is a scramjet engines? You can call scramjet engines are those engines that work in hypersonic speed and supersonic combustion. So these are ramjet engines, and engines do not have a name. The scramjet engines itself is a name. They do not have a particular name like this and that. So this option is again then incorrect. So you see scramjet, because SC stands for S and C, S for supersonic, C for combustion, and then ramjet. So this is scramjet engines. Now next option is stealth frigate of Project 17. What exactly is stealth? Stealth, you can call, is a type of ship that you cannot detect by infrared, by any device. It is indetectable. And what exactly is frigate? Frigate is a kind of warship. So if you have seen the news, this Taragiri is the third kind of frigate that has been launched under Project 17A. And for example, if you don't know, then leave this option. Come to option number 4, hypersonic weapons. What are hypersonic weapons? Hypersonic weapons are those weapons that have a speed of Mach 5. What is Mach 5? Mach 5 means you multiply the speed of sound by 5 times. This is Mach 5. And these hypersonic weapons also, these missiles have a name, but weapons do not have a name. Weapons means weapons. Missiles have name, aircraft carriers have name, but not one weapon has name. So you see, fourth option is also correct. You can use your logic. So that is why when 3 options are incorrect, then the C option will be correct. In India, Black Panther can be found in which of the following places? For example, if you don't know anything, then you must know one thing, that Black Panthers are found mostly in South India. And few exceptions are also there, for example, Orissa and then Arunachal Pradesh. Mostly are found in Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. So you see all these: Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Anshi Dandeli Sanctuary, Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve, then this Kabini Wildlife Sanctuary. All of these are located in South India. So if there was any option for example of Gujarat, then you can have your options wrong. So we will choose all these options as correct, and in this question you have to learn also why these how some animals are found in south and why some animals are found in north. So this is also a typical learning question, you have to learn that, and I hope you will do this quiz by yourself as well. So we will choose this option D, and then we will see what is the result. So we see all of our questions are completed and all of these questions were answered correctly. So in this quiz you have to learn something, for example about dolphins, about Black Panther, and some of the questions you can do it by your own logic.